Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 305i, and today I will show you how you can put this device into bootloader. So to get started, we'll need to turn it off by holding the power button and then selecting power off. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And as you can see, this boots us into bootloader. Here, using volume up only, you can navigate through the three different options that are visible on the screen. Now the first one is recovery mode, then we have fast boot mode, and lastly we have normal boot, which takes us back to Android. Now whenever you want to confirm one of these options, once it's selected with the arrow, you can then press volume down to confirm it. I am going to select normal boot and confirm that. And as you can see, this will boot me back into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.